Take a look at this channel. This channel gained more than 70K subscribers with just 15 videos. And look at this one too. By uploading 71 videos, it gained more than 4 lakh subscribers. And there are many more channels like this that are growing right now. This is a completely new and fresh niche that is still being explored. These channels make education, challenge, and documentary-related videos that are very interesting. On top of that, because of AI visuals, people leave tons of comments. Overall, this niche is extremely viral. Now, if you think there is too much competition in this niche, then you are wrong. There is almost no competition here, and there are very high chances that your channel can grow on this niche. Even though making these videos is very easy, there is one trick to it. So I'll quickly teach you how to make these videos so that you can also grow fast. To make such videos, the first step is idea generation with context. Look, there are 2 best ways to generate ideas. First, by yourself, and second, using AI. In the self method, you need to analyze channels and think of new, fresh ideas that can go viral. In this case, there are higher chances that your channel will go viral, especially if you have some market knowledge. But I'm going to do everything using AI because I have absolutely no knowledge in this category. So first, I'll come to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. This is a mega prompt that contains all the basic details and precautions. You should read it carefully and modify it according to yourself. If you want to add or change anything, you can do that too. Then I'll run it. After that, ChatGPT will give us complete analysis and also provide 10 video ideas. You can choose any one of them, or you can ask for more ideas. But I'll choose one from this. What if you stop drinking water for 1 week? I'll select this, paste it into the prompt box, and run it. Then ChatGPT will give us complete details, including voiceover for each scene and the VO3 prompt. Now comes the next step, scene generation. For this, we will copy scene 1 from ChatGPT. Make sure you copy the complete voiceover and the VO3 prompt. Now you need to go to Google Flow. Here, sign in with Google. After entering Flow, first change text to video to ingredients to video. Then paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT for scene 1. Using this plus icon, upload your skeleton character. I will also give this character in the description. Now select the aspect ratio as 9:16. Then select output count as 1. In the model, choose VO 3.1 fast. Finally, run the prompt. In a short time, your video will be generated like this. In the same way, copy-paste all scenes from ChatGPT and generate the videos using Google AI Studio, which is completely free. Now we will edit the video. Open CapCut and import all the videos and voiceovers. Then edit them scene by scene. And here's the final video. Imagine if from today you didn't drink even a single drop of water for 7 days. What would your body do to you? Within just 24 hours, dehydration begins. Headaches, fatigue, and dry lips appear. Your body sends signals, I need water. And for more AI-related videos and YouTube growth, subscribe to the channel and like the video.